Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the PEPE update today. And PEPE is back at 8400. I actually ended up closing the trade yesterday because I thought Bitcoin is maybe trying to get down again to 47k. Even PEPE didn't do well. It actually went down to a place where I didn't want it to go down. But it does look like eventually it did found a little bit of support down here. Now again it's going back to the upside. I actually did close it. I was expecting it to go from here back up, but this drop really gave me a little bit of lack of confidence. And it's not PayPay. It's actually not PayPay. It's actually what Bitcoin was doing, because I've talked about Bitcoin update. Just watch that. And I was thinking that there's this middle band right here of Bitcoin. Like you have the upper band, the lower band, and then the middle line. So the middle line was acting as resistance right there, which could actually open up the door for Bitcoin to really drop down again if you're not going to cross above it, right? So this little bit of threat right there was something that really made me want to close a few of my trades. But no worries, because then again we actually go 41% out of Luna Classic, so I do think that we're good, okay, even if this one even if we close this one. Now of course I kind of think that we're still in the game a little bit, but also we're not, because you can see that you're still getting rejected at this point. Now for some reason I think your resistance also looks like this, okay? Your resistance could actually look like this and not like this. So we're probably making a new resistance point. So maybe even closing was a good idea, because you have one resistance move down, another one move down, another one move down, and then you have this another one. Now of course it could be looking as, you're trying to make an ascending triangle. Now if you're trying to make an ascending triangle, I'm going to give you this idea. So you take the lower support trend line, and of course you're going to find the apex until 17th of August. So we're going to get to know until 17th if you're really going to break above for good, and if you break below, you're going to end up coming down. And be careful, because Bonk has actually broken down, and you can see that it was trying to make an ascending triangle here, and then it eventually broke to the downside, and it could actually fall a little bit lower as well. So I do see a little bit of problems as well. And on Discord I did share another trade idea of Do AI, and I've been educating people, and I think that for many times I've been telling you, be on Discord, I'm giving you trade ideas. This is another trade that you could have taken with a false breakout, and you could have won 19%. So I want to show you something on Discord. So it started with this image where I was talking about the sideways movement, and if you break above, you may have a breakout, and then you continue to go to the upside, okay? So support, this is resistance, your support zone, okay? And this was the coin, and we could have seen this thing. If you break up, you go up, or even if you get rejected, you might actually go to the downside. Now the coin name was Do AI at 1 hour time frame, and I was updating again and again, and I said make it or break it point for Do AI. So we were trying to get above and to see if we can break and continue. And then the next update was that I said there's a rejection right over there, and it doesn't look good. And then I also made another news saying that this is a false breakout, and you can see how low we started to trade this some few days ago. And then from there it completely went down, and then we also made a head and shoulders, and then it started to fall to the downside. Now imagine this is something that is totally given to you for free. Now this time I've given another coin called Land, and it has a symmetrical triangle. Do you want to be on Discord and take it? Check the comment and you can enter Discord for totally free, and there's a symmetrical triangle. So I'm trying to make you a trader, and you guys can trade with a very small amount of money if you're starting out. I would even say that if I was a trader and I have $500, I would actually take $30 to start trading. At least just get the concept right. Don't try to jump in futures. You don't even know how to trade futures. Number one, I ask a lot of people, you cannot trade spot just yet, and you're trying to get futures. Why are you getting greedy? Dude, just relax. So this was it. This has been down, and you can see how down it is, and it's quite meant to go to the lower support right over there. But anyways, congratulations to the people on Discord who actually took it. So be a part of there, learn. I'm teaching you, and I'm not taking anything on, I'm not charging you anything, and I'm guiding you to make sure you become good on your own. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.